Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TOSCIDO X109 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So basically this operation is quite easy to do. All you have to do is to simply tap on the square icon, which will open the recent. So let's tap on it, and as you can see here we've got all previously opened apps, and if you'd like to, you can close only one of it or two of them, for example. Just find them and swipe it up just like that. But if you've got a lot of them opened, then I highly recommend to simply go to the very top of the, not very top, but the very left of this list, and tap on clear all. As you can see, we just automatically got back to the home page, so let's enter the recents to check. And here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. So actually this is it. This is how to turn off running apps in your TOSCIDO X109. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.